Three, two, one.
In acoustic neuroma, you would find the features of oral fullness, tinnitus, vertigo, double VN. Along with that, you would find the cranial nerve pulses. Depending upon the nerve damage, vestibulocochlear nerve would show the features of sensorineural deafness and vertigo. If the trigeminal nerve is damaged, corneal reflex would be affected. If facial nerve is damaged, Bell's palsy would be seen. To test acoustic neuroma, you would order MRI. Acoustic neuroma usually presents with the unilateral symptoms, but bilateral acoustic neuroma can also occur, which is a feature of neurofibromatosis type 2 disease, that is an autosomal dominant disease.